everybody, Papa Blue Shirt here. I'm going to see how long it takes me to put a new freewheel on my Philodo H8. Let's get going. Well, there you have it, from start to finish, 15 minutes. 15 minutes, can you believe that? 15 minutes. And to think I used to be afraid to do that. It helps though that the bike is a new bike. Freewheel's not on there that hard. Full disclosure, I just changed it last weekend so I knew what I was doing, but yeah. 15 minutes. Wow. I had one that I was going to use on my ecotric, and I put it on here because I didn't have no other one, because I had ordered the wrong one. And so I put the 34 tooth on there, and I can't get to the high gear on this without a whole bunch of adjustments. So I decided to just go back, because since this is a 21 speed, I don't need those higher gears, and I'll put that other one on my ecotric. But anyways, and it works good. Oh, that works great. Got her up to 30, 32, I think it was, or 31, and I was still in the pedals. All right. Exactly what I need. That was a blast. That was just like getting a whole brand new bike again. Wow. It ought to be against the law for an old man to have this much fun. This is Papa Blue Shirt. May the good Lord take a liking to you.
May the good Lord take a liking to you. Hallelujah. May he spread his blessings on your trail. Hallelujah. May he be your guide anywhere you ride, and be always your host when you're needing him most. May the good Lord take a liking.